In this quick tutorial, we're going to be summarizing data using AI right here in Google Sheets. So in previous videos, this is just one of the many videos that you're going to be watching if you want to learn more on how to use Gemini with Google Sheets. And in this one, we are going to summarize our data using Gemini. So if you just want to quickly summarize the data in front of you and what it represents, we can quickly do that by using the Summarize This Data tool right here in Google Sheets. So if you don't have Gemini yet, I have a separate video about this that you should definitely check out. I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click and watch later. So here in my spreadsheet, I have this example data, which is a strategic marketing overview table. And if I wanted to quickly summarize this and tell me what it means or what is it all about, I can simply click on the Summarize This Data right here. If I do that, it is a quick prompt that we tell Gemini to do, and this is what it's going to give you. So with the tool's answer, it quickly explains what the table is all about and what each column means. So a simple explanation of what your data is trying to tell you. And if you have more questions on this data, you can ask Gemini right here. So let's say we want to know what is the most common channel that is being used in the marketing strategy. So we can ask, press enter. And now it's reading through our data and it will come up with our answer right here. So the most common medium or channel used according to the table is website, which has 7 mentions. Here is the full breakdown of the channels and their accounts. It will quickly summarize that for us right here. So that's another great feature that Gemini does for us without us having to use any formulas or functions just to count or create a top list on the most common mediums used according to the table. And there you have it. If you do have more questions, again, you can just generate your prompt right here, and this tool will do its best to give you the answers. And that's how to summarize your data using Gemini here in Google Sheets. If you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.